Every great surface transformation starts the same way, with potential. To build a finish that lasts, the surface has to be properly prepared. Every inch was mechanically ground to create the ideal profile for adhesion. After grinding, the entire area was thoroughly cleaned to ensure maximum performance from the coating system. Next came Tuff Coat UT80 Adhesion Primer, creating the bond between the prepared concrete and the final textured surface. To create a seamless visual transition into the Life Floor spray park, 5 custom-matched Tuff Coat colors were selected and strategically applied throughout the space. The result is a durable, slip-resistant surface system designed for aesthetics, comfort, and performance in high-traffic aquatic environments. When ready, the tape was pulled and every transition line was refined for a crisp, intentional finish. By blending custom-matched Tuff Coat finishes with Life Floor's aquatic surfacing system, the entire environment now flows together as one cohesive experience. Tuff Coat, built for water, engineered for play.